Hi, I'm Steph Evans of Evotech, who are partnered with MSC Software. Here's another one of our MSC Apex quick bites looking at the transform tools to help you manipulate your models.
Okay, so we're going to have a look at some of the transform tools in Apex, so we can manipulate, move any geometry or FEA entity within any part or assembly. So you see a very clear layout in terms of what we can do. We've got options for translating, rotating, and also for mirroring as well, and likewise to move and to copy. Once we select an entity, we've got the guided steps, the goals, and the what to do. So we can switch from translate to rotate back and forth very easily, and we've got a drop down for each of the discrete methods that we might want to use. Again, both for translate and rotate. You can see those stepped through and guided to give us what we need. We can also unlock what we call the manipulator. So this is the coordinate frame display. So once it's unlocked, it changes shade, and then we can move the origin to a new location, and then lock it up again, and that's relative to the part that we're moving. One nice trick we can do is that we can click on the ball of the manipulator, if you like, and then type in our new coordinate frame, or new coordinate position, separated by commas, and the part will move to the new location.
I hope you found this interesting. If you'd like to develop your Apex usage, head over to our site where you'll find many online learning opportunities.